Friends, today we are going to learn about let's ask questions. How do we make questions? Yes. Tick the question that is correct for the given answer in each box. First, you have to look at the pictures. Then, according to the picture, you have to raise the question in your mind. It will be easy for find out the answer. Yes. Let's start. Look at the picture. The time is 6 o'clock. Now you make the question. What is the time now? Yes. Among these two, which is the correct answer? What is the time now? This is the right answer. Next, see this picture. The boy said, I will come tomorrow. Among these answers, which one is the right answer? When will you come? If the answer is I will come tomorrow means, what is the right question for that answer? When will you come? They are my parents. They are my parents. What is the right answer? Who are they? They are my parents. The question is, who are they? My house is nearby. My house is nearby. Why is your house or where is your house? Which one is the correct answer? Where is your house? The cake is tasty. The cake is tasty. What is the right answer for this sentence question? How is the cake? How is the cake? I am late because it is raining. I am late because it is raining. How do we make the question? Why are you late? Now you do one activity. Let's ask questions. Dash is your class teacher. Who or what? Which one is the correct answer? Who is your class teacher? Next, dash is your name. It's everybody knows. What is your name? Dash is your house. When or where? The correct answer is where is your house? Dash are you shouting? Why are you shouting? Dash is your health. Which one is the right answer? How or who? How is your health? Dash took my book. Who took my book? Dash are you eating? Who or what? Which one is the correct answer? What are you eating? Dash are you going? What or where? Which one we have to write here? Where are you going? Once again, repeat the question with me. Who is your class teacher? What is your name? Where is your house? Why are you shouting? How is your health? Who took my book? What are you eating? Where are you going? If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.